Hi, it's Linda with Tyrrell County Public Library, and today we are making Shrinky Dinks. If you happen to take our New Year's Eve package from the library, we had a craft in there to make Shrinky Dinks. So I'm going to walk you through the process now, and you can then be making your New Year's Eve Shrinky Dinks with your kids. Okay, let's get started. What is in your kit from the library is Shrinky Dink paper and a 2020 dumpster fire template. You don't have to use this, but we thought it was fun and decided to include it in. What you need from your house is colored pencils, scissors, scotch tape, and a hole punch. First, you will scotch tape the template if you're using it to a flat surface. I'm using my kitchen table. Next, you're going to want to line up the Shrinky Dink paper rough side up, the part that's not glossy, and tape it down. Make sure when you tape it down not to cover the image with tape if you are using the image. Next, grab your colored pencils and start coloring, or you can draw. It's up to you. Be as creative as you want to. Look how great these colors are coming out. They're so vibrant. Then you want to carefully remove the Shrinky Dink paper from your template and the tape from the Shrinky Dink paper. At this point, you want to preheat your oven to 329 degrees. Now you want to cut around the image. You want to leave 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch border, because you're going to be able to punch a hole somewhere on here if you want to hang it. So now grab your hole punch and pop a hole. You're going to place it on parchment paper, the colored side facing up, to put it into the oven. The part that you colored needs to be facing up. As you can see, I had to set my oven to 330. It did not allow me to do it for 329. Place it in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes. Now you're going to have a series of pictures as it cooks. It will curl up. Don't get nervous. Then it will eventually flatten out. Don't be concerned. Don't mess with it. Just let it do its thing. It literally curled back up on itself. But don't be nervous. Just let it evolve. All right, we're starting to flatten out. Okay, it's been 3 minutes and it's flat in the oven. We're going to pull it out now. Now it is hot. You need to have a parent here with you to pull it out of the oven. It needs to have oven mitts so you do not burn yourself. What you can do, if it does have any curl to it, use a piece of parchment paper and tap down on it to flatten it out if it's not completely flat. And here is your final product. We let it cool for about 15 seconds on the cookie sheet. And here it is with the hole punch. You can put a keychain through it. You can add a string and hang it from your tree from next year. It is so much fun. Well, thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe to the Tyrrell County YouTube channel so you can follow us on all the fun things that we are doing.